Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to HostStringer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then open up Squarespace. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply log into your account, and then on top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and here you'll be finding three options, and among them you'll find the option that says domain. Click on it, and once you're inside here you'll be seeing the domains that you have purchased. Now all you gotta do is select the domain that you want to transfer from Squarespace to HostStringer, and once you have selected it, on the right hand side of the screen you'll be seeing the domain details. Now under it you'll be seeing an option that says manage domain settings. Click on it, and once you have clicked on it, here you'll be sent to or redirected to the next page. And now on the right hand side of the screen you'll be seeing this three dot icon. Simply click on it, and there you'll find the option that says send transfer authorization code, and once you click on it you'll be getting the transfer authorization code. Now the next thing is to go to the HostStringer, and now if you don't have or aren't logged into your account, what you can do is just simply click on this domain options right here. And once you do that, and now here you will be seeing an option that says already bought in a domain and transfer in. Simply click on it, and once you do that, here where you need to write your domain name, and then simply click on transfer, and then once that's done, enter the authorization code, and that's basically how you can transfer. Now the next way is, if you have already logged into the HostStringer account, all you gotta do is just simply head over to the domains, and then on the domain you'll be seeing an option that says transfer an existing domain. Simply click on it, and once you do that, here all you gotta do is make sure your domain is prepared for transfer. Enter in your domain name, and then simply click on it, and once you do that, the next thing is to enter in your authorization code. You select the use HostStringer name server and DNS records, and then enter in your authorization code, and then click on transfer domain. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.